Look.
It's
groovy. Groovy? I want to watch that.
what?
The Conjuring. Groovy groove. How exciting! Okay, so my family might be playing video games at one point. What's up, guys? It's me, obviously, and obviously I'm back in the kitchen because I like baking. Hopefully these turn out good and not bad like I'm thinking they are. I'm trying to make cinnamon rolls. I hope these come out good because this will be a waste of time and energy that I'm not looking forward to. I have all the ingredients right here. I prepared myself. I'm taking this seriously and this is gonna happen. So I already accidentally off camera buttered a thingy-wingy. It says to use a foil one, pero I don't have foil ones. I only have the metal ones. I'm guessing they're saying foil because like the ones in the stores, I'm just getting right into it. The ones in the stores, like that you buy from the store, are in tin foil thingies. And this is already melting.
This is sick.
Anyways, okay, so that was the first step. I'm following the rules like I should because I never do and I never read the instructions and then I do everything wrong. I had a carrot cake video that I never put up, but it was filmed. The carrot cake was good, but it was just really ugly and I did it in the wrong order and then it was a really bad angle, so. Yeah, okay, in a large bowl, whisk together warm milk and melted butter. It doesn't tell me which butter. Are they dumb? Mom, it says, look, listen, ready? Okay, so the ingredients for the dough is unsalted butter. Is that the same butter or unsalted butter? It's all the same, okay. Okay, so I have unsalted butter. Apparently, Target is using Good and Gather now. I don't really know what that's about, but it's not Up and Up. Not Up and Up, Market Pantry. They still have Market Pantry, but they have Good and Gather everywhere, and it's kind of confusing. Okay. So, we never buy whole milk, but I bought it just for this. We just went to the store like 10 minutes before Target closed. Hopefully 2 cups fits in this cup because... crap. Oh shoot, this cup is probably 2 cups. Please fit. Yeah. 2 cups of milk. Weird. Okay.
Kind of feel like your body temperature. That's the perfect temperature. It could be a little bit warmer than that, but that's pretty much what we're going for. We're gonna put a little bit of granulated sugar, and that's gonna dissolve in the milk.
Have a cup of sugar.
That's a cup.
Okay, put that in. That's half a cup. Following the rules.
Don't we have
Put a
ice
packet
cream?
of yeast over this. Stir that once more.
A packet. I'm guessing this is the packet.
Do you need to
Why doesn't it tell me? Oh yeah, it's literally this whole thing. Wow, we are geniuses, y'all.
sometimes the whole thing isn't that too much? So
Really, that's it. Minutes. Alexa, set timer for 10 minutes.
Can they see my arm?
10 minutes, starting now.
Yeah, I'm sorry I'm not like really engaging. Add the flour and all that junk. And I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. You can press play. You can press play.
Alexa.
I'm just gonna die, okay?
It doesn't look like that.
Straight up ran.
Mine does not look like that. I could see some dots. Maybe we should wait a little longer? Because it looks
15?
nothing like that.
Sliding bullets.
This is what it looks like. It doesn't look like that. Like that.
Oh my god, just come out.
That's what it looks like on there, and then that's what it looks like on here. But we're gonna move on.
Never put flour in my.
2.
Can I mix it?
3. No.
We
4.
so.
Is that okay?
I thought it was holy water.
10 minutes.
Someone's trying to get on the queue.
Wow.
I'm going to cover this with cling film and let it rise for an hour.
An hour?
Again, if you're not seeing much growth,
It's 10 o'clock.
Starting
I am upset.
peppers and rub
Let's
it
just
all
do it
over
in
the inside of your tin just to make sure that the rolls won't.
While I'm waiting for the dough to rise for a whole hour or however long it takes, because I mean I've made dough before and I knew it was going to take a long time. I just didn't expect. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? We're going to make the filling, and then while we're waiting we're going to watch Victorious because I'm watching.
How much
It's not like you're
is
going
on
to bed right now.
Well, I don't think we can make it.
You have 55 minutes left on the 1 hour timer.
It's just been 5 minutes.
Yep.
That's a bit.
We're going to warm this up really quick.
You know where.
3/4 cup.
Ooh, you could just go.
Okay, so I have my brown sugar right here.
I got it.
Boom.
And set.
Want to
You're
help
like celery in here.
with doing something?
You're helping by keeping me company.
Hard to kill.
What? From making,
Keeping me company.
yeah, things.
I think I'm gonna do the dishes while I wait for. Why did I make that face? While I wait for the dough to rise, I'm just gonna do the dishes because I'd rather clean up while I'm going. So recently I've been watching the Great British Baking Show. If you haven't seen that, I definitely recommend. It's kind of cringy at times, but the season 10 was the best season of them all, and it like inspired me. They didn't even make cinnamon rolls. I watched the whole thing. Friday, Saturday, and then today I finished it because that's who I am.
Chicken
And
mushrooms.
yeah, so
Are you sure you
if you haven't seen that, it will inspire you to bake everything.
Oh, Alexa.
So there's that.
Our anger out of his car.
So oh no, it grew a lot. Like it got on. I'm so excited. Look.
Kills me every.
It's
You can't really see it from there, but
Why is he
see how all the yeast has been activated. It was on top, but whatever. Okay. I lost the other teaspoon thingy, so now I have to use this one.
oh, that's so tiny. It's puffy.
Dude, I just died so free.
That looks like.
Dude, the sleeves are coming.
Wow. I'm really proud of myself. Like I've made dough before, but I've never made cinnamon roll dough, even though this isn't a cinnamon roll yet. I'm gonna take some to my grandma.
Maybe we could take three. Are we going to the upstairs? Yeah.
In the new car. Can you?
What?
I'm filming.
You better leave some of that in. It's pretty amazing.
This is what I'm looking at right now. This is the dough. Feels really nice, and then that's a little bit aside.
No, it's it.
Yeah, my goodness.
I watched the Great British Baking Show. Like I already talked about it like so much, so like I've seen them knead dough so many times
No, I'm saying that
that like I know how to knead dough. I feel like mine's fluffier than hers for some reason. So sprinkle it very lightly.
I'll be right there.
Stretch it out a little bit. You want to get it into the shape that you're going for as quickly as you can.
Play-Doh or
Because we need it so.
I did it again.
Yes.
I went back to
If
this.
I ever one viewer.
She was like, this is the right time to shop. She has to be in one place, probably.
Okay, so this is what I'm looking at right now. It's sort of like how it is on there, like a square. Yeah. Press play.
Scraper, or if you have like a spatula at home, I mean, you can use a lot of different things. Anything that's straight. I just want to make sure that we have it in one place and then moving it around.
you have to do
I need to get this for my Instagram.
chit chat.
Wow.
Wow, that is so smooth.
Now I'm doing the filling. I hope this is big enough because I don't.
Maybe I'll have a half.
Ooh, then you're gonna roll it and then you're gonna cut it, huh?
Do it more.
That's how you make it?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, but wow.
More to the outside.
Oh wow, there's a lot on here. Oh, that kind of was too far out, but oh well. Groovy. Groovy? I want to watch that.
What?
The Conjuring. Groovy gloom.
Yes, they're so good.
You should get that on Plex.
Yeah, you should get that.
Do you guys good now?
Huh?
Yes.
Do you guys good now?
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Oh, I thought she said, "Are you guys good now?" I was like, "Yeah, man, we finished playing. We just stopped screaming."
If she rolling, I'm scared.
Oh, not you.
She's sick.
You know what sucks?
And it took
There's
1
6
hour.
of us.
I know. How many
gonna
bugs
eat
is
it
this
all.
gonna make? See the floor.
What if it's amazing and it's like your Thanksgiving like thing, and we take it to Thanksgiving and then everybody loves it?
Should I go from that end?
Y'all are pressuring me.
What?
Can I just?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Look at the other.
Look at that.
Your slices when it's done. If they're not really holding their shape, go ahead and throw them in the fridge for 5 or 10 minutes and then kind of roll them between your hands a little bit to make sure that you're getting a good shape and then put them into your buttered tins.
Bro, we about to be fat.
Do you finna have all the angles right
How
now?
exciting! I know.
Dude, this camera has flour all over it.
I don't need to know that.
Oh crap!
It'll be fun to watch.
Dude, how exciting.
I can tell they're gonna taste good.
I wonder how you whip it so fast. Yes. That is so satisfying.
My whole family is watching me right now.
Instead of sitting as you.
Ooh, it smells minty fresh.
You can put a song over it. She got 12.
I have to stay up late.
I want to see that right now. I feel like
I still want to get some milk.
Go ahead.
I.
2 episodes, 40 minutes.
Wait, that's 20 minutes?
Yeah, that's what I meant,
Oh my
but
god, let's go. Let's
Watch
go.
like
Yeah, I know.
20 of those so far.
So, Alexa, set timer for 37 minutes. Coffee. The top of my head's cut off, but it makes my whole forehead look smaller, so that's fine.
I was like, what is that?
It's ice. But look it, they obviously grew. How exciting!
So excited.
Me too. I have a little tiny one right there.
Cute.
It didn't grow.
These ingredients are very well creamed together and there's no lumps before we add the powdered sugar.
Pause it.
It looks like it. It's a vanilla flavor. What's it?
And the liquids. So go ahead and get all of your ingredients into the bowl first, except for the powdered sugar. You want to make sure that all these ingredients are very well creamed together and there's no lumps before we add the powdered sugar.
Or primrose.
Before I add the powdered sugar. Can you press play really quick?
Oh yeah, it needs to be real.
Yeah.
Excuse.
It's not yet.
No, not that much. She said it's not that much.
I know, and it's not. Let's wait till all the little swirls are out. This is what I'm looking at right now. It's still very, very slightly lumpy, but I'm just doing it a little more until it's done. Thank you. So, yeah.
That's the only thing that helped.
Sure, again, that's
Nothing to do and like, you know, doesn't.
if you are the type of person that really loves icing, you could make double of this.
Oh, I should have made double. We love icing. Crap. Well, already happened. If anything, I could just make more. It wasn't that hard to make, so. So I was scared that they were overflowing, like rising out of the tins, but I just scratched my boob very intensely. They were rising out of the tins, and then my dad looked at them and my mom, and they were like, that's literally nothing, so. I'm really drinking coffee at 12:30 at night. Be like that. All right, so I'm gonna clean up, and then I'll see you guys when we start glazing them. Okay. So So I just got them out. They're cooling. I'm trying to get them to hurry because my dad has to go to bed, but he really wants to eat one before he goes to bed. But they look really good. Okay. So I'm serving my dad one. Well, I take this to my dad. They're still kind of warm. So I wanted to give it to him warm. I didn't want to completely cool it down. Bumba, do you want one?
Take this one.
I haven't even had one yet. Yeah, there's not that much.
I think you did a good job on this.
This is so good. Okay, I'm on Frosties, so I don't waste these Frosties.
That's all alarm before you go to bed, Pat.
Okay.
It's 1 in the morning.
Y'all go ahead and turn on a movie for yourselves. I'm gonna go lay down. All cinnamon buns do that. But yeah, I'm actually proud of myself. Even though this is a really long video, I don't care. Because this is the first time I've ever made cinnamon buns like from scratch. I'll see you guys in my next video.